Oh, PowerPoint is not happy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. As backup, can you, if it's possible, to download? Okay. Try to download. Oh, good. Okay. So we are on. Okay. Start slideshow. Okay, so this is the order. If you need to see, if you can see, I hope that's the order will go. So when your slide comes up, you come to the front and do your 1 minute pitch. Okay, so yes. Oh, okay. Okay, you read Zoo, right? I think. Come up. You read Zoo.
Is the advisor.
It's an advisor. Okay, so you read Zoo's advisor. You read Zoo's group. This is a video. Oh, okay, it's a video. So I'm gonna play it. Okay, they're not around. Can I play? I have to go to YouTube. Okay, let me go to YouTube.
Hi, we're Team Laika. My name is Clarence, and I am Xiaoyun. So, during the course of this program, we aim to develop a 2D platformer, preferably with Unity 3D. This includes our own assets, which
You guys get a break. We do the videos first. What happened to the sound?
You didn't. Oh, okay. I might need to just video.
Very good. You guys get a break. We'll have to. We have lost the sound. Sorry, I forgot. We are playing some videos.
So, during the
I think worst come to worst, we just do this. Yeah. No, there's totally no sound.
No, the sound doesn't seem.
Okay.
Okay, we'll so for the videos, if you can't hear, too bad, right? We want to hear the live. Live gets priority. So video, if you can't hear, too bad.
for Unity 3D in general.
It's done. It's done.
It's done. Okay, let's repeat or
Let's just repeat.
okay, let's repeat since we are.
Hi, we're Team Laika. My name is Clarence, and I am Xiaoyun. So, during the course of this program, we aim to develop a 2D platformer, preferably with Unity 3D. This includes our own assets, which may include self-made music and art. Our game should involve some type of puzzle or shooter elements as part of its core mechanics. We could also add additional features like a high score sharing system on social media and stuff like that. Hopefully in due course, we can achieve Project Gemini. With that being said, we look forward to mentorship in game development or Unity 3D in general.
All right. Good. Let's. Oh, sorry. This one. PowerPoint seems unreliable. So if you can download, it'd be better. PowerPoint. Sorry, PowerPoint. We're trying to download everything instead of trying to do it online. PowerPoint. Can? And this my thumb right here. Sorry. I'll just put it anywhere. Yeah, anywhere. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, Wen Xing and Xia Rui. Is this another video? No, right? No, not here. Not here. Okay, we'll move on. Bomb squad. All right.
Okay, I'm Marcus and this is Zachary. We are from Bomb Squad. Okay, so our target audience is actually students and lecturers. We are trying to make a game that facilitates the tutorial learning and how the lecturer can ask questions so that the students can respond appropriately. Then Zach will elaborate on the game.
So it's basically just gamifying the process of tutorial questions asked. So have you anyway, so I'm sure you all got played camp games, from Zachary Bomb to Marcus Bomb, right? So basically before the tutorial, the tutor is going to put in a question bank, and from there the questions will act as a bomb. Then it's going to be thrown out to the random student on the app. So if the student answer, then they get a point. If they don't answer it or they don't know the answer, they can pass it by shouting to the app, Zachary Bomb to Marcus Bomb. So that is specifying to someone. If you want to throw out to random class, right, then you'll be to random bomb. Yeah. So it's 3 passes. Then after 3 passes, and the bomb explodes and everything. So yeah, basically just to facilitate the tutorial. Yeah. So we're aiming to do Upload 11, but we don't know whether how. So, yeah. Yeah. That's our project. Thank you.
Okay. Sorry, PowerPoint is new to this cloud thing, right? Or at least we are new to having PowerPoint on the cloud. Hopefully we are okay. Come on. Stop. Sorry. Sorry, it's stuck. Still have to wait for download. Okay.
It's in the info.
Okay, let me just check our screen. Oh my. Okay, we are still okay, good. Okay, we have reliable technology now. Yay! Okay, hyper bro, come. Hype bro, hype. You can be hyper also.
We actually updated, but then they didn't update for us.
Oh, never mind, improvise.
No, we changed the whole idea. Oh, yes, yeah, so is it alright to connect?
Okay, can you maybe
Send it to the
put it? Yeah, put it there. No, I'm running from the top 5. You have an extra time run?
Yeah.
Can run on?
Yeah, can run.
Can run,
I think
okay.
it's cash.
Okay. Okay. Maybe you come back later.
Okay.
Okay, notify me is here.
Hi everyone, my name is Zheng Yu. I'm from Team Better Use. My partner is not here today. So basically, just a quick question. Have anyone missed your bus stop before? Oh yeah, I see a lot of hands. Okay, so why do you miss your bus stop? Is it because you're sleeping or playing games like me sometimes? Or is it because you don't know how to read the map and then you just don't know when to alight? Okay, so fret not, Notify Me is here. Okay, this is a real-time Android app for you. Okay, it will alert you when you're reaching your bus stop or an MRT station if you have time to do that. Okay, so basically, example, you're taking bus 96 from Clementi, and you want to alight at the comm center. So it will notify you when you're reaching NUS Faculty of Design. So there is one stop before. So this is our idea of notifying you when you are reaching, and also it helps maybe old people as well as travelers coming to Singapore as well. So that's our idea. Thank you very much.
Right.
Insert name here. Insert name here.
Really, that's your name, right? Your team name.
Sounds like placeholder.
Hello, my name is Ina and this is Waylon. For our project, right, we're trying to do a virtual version of a real life game, and we hope to achieve the Gemini level.
Okay. So like when we were thinking of what to do, then I come up with an idea like, since when we were young, we like to play a lot of board games, but now when technology advances, why not bring our board game into our maybe iOS, Android or computer, so that future generation also can enjoy what we played before. So like the game that we aim to build first is the Legos Minotaurus. Yeah. So basically you start from a corner and you need to end at your colored center. Then that's about and you roll a D6 dice. Yeah. Then for our objective, we are trying to aim like if you have time, you can include other games into the mix and maybe add an AI opponent for you to if you want to play alone. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, project SOP. Project SOP. Oh, it's also the video file.
Video file.
Oh, how do we?
AVI file. Shall we play later?
Later.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe you all can.
Okay. So we play the video later. So okay, my AG group. Start with Atomic.
I go ahead and start. Okay. Yeah, later we start it.
I think yeah. Maybe next EG group we slot them in.
Hi guys, my name is Shen Yong, and together with my partner Gabriel, we will be doing on a mobile application. Hopefully, we'll be able to achieve the Gemini level. So, what is our project about? I will get my partner to explain to you more. Okay.
Okay. So basically, I'm sure most of you all use Instagram before, and one of the functions that Instagram allow you to use is to share it to Facebook. But for that, the feature itself is quite limited because when you share it to Facebook, it only goes into your timeline and cannot go into your specific album. So what is a feature that we want to develop is to allow users to select some of their Instagram photos to port directly to a specific Facebook album. And one feature that we will include is maybe to filter it by hashtags. So like for these certain hashtags, for example, you go to this overseas trip and then you put this hashtag, and then all those hashtags put into the one specific album. So this is the function for our app. Yeah. Thank you.
Blue circle.
Hello, so my partner's not here, so I'll be presenting alone. Right, so our app is, so basically I'm tired of having a favorite TV show ruined because of spoilers, right, like Game of Thrones. So we're basically making a Chrome extension that detects spoilers and like maybe blacken it out And if you want to, you can click on it and reveal it. So the basic features we want to include are user-defined tags to identify which shows you want spoilers for, and maybe if we can manage it, then like how far in the show you are, right? Also, we wanted to work for major websites like Twitter and Facebook, where you're most likely to see spoilers, right? The extra features which you might include if we have the time are curated, community-submitted spoiler lists, and if possible, then it works for any website. So we're hoping for Gemini and no mentorship. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead, Dash. Wow.
Our group name is not Kohai Dash, it's Notice Us Senpai. Yeah. So Kohai Dash is our dashboard app, and it will do the dashing for you. Okay, so what it does is that it will become a one-stop app for all your links and your files. So let's say you have your files in Dropbox, your videos in YouTube, and then you have Excel sheets all over the place. We have an app for you. It will be a web app, and then you can upload files, although larger files are not encouraged because your server will just explode. Yeah, and so we have our Kohai Dash. Not looking for a mentor, but we want Gemini. Thanks.
Okay, music makers.
Both partners should say something. At least say, "Hello, my name is whatever."
So hi guys, I'm Kenneth and this is Alan. So he's gonna explain the project.
Okay, that's fine.
We are called music makers. Our rough project idea is that we want to give everyone the ability to create music. I'm not sure how many of you know of text generators now, where they input text and output some random text that sounds believable. So we plan to use the idea for music. So it sort of gives everyone the ability to compose music. So we are aiming for Apollo 11, and we would want sponsor, mentorship. Mentorship. Mentors with web-based development or mentors who have experience in music, reading data in music. Yeah, so thanks.
Okay.
Okay, menu bot.
So, hi, my name is Shuing and this is Qiguan. So for our project, we are creating an app to cater to restaurant operators. And the problem that we're attempting to solve is the inefficiency of taking of orders in restaurants due to lack of manpower.
Yeah, so what we are seeking to build is to implement menus as Telegram bots. So what diners can do is to text in their orders, and we will build a Android application to receive and manage the orders. Yeah. So one key benefit that we see is that diners will be encouraged to use it because they won't need to download separate apps for different restaurants. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
What do you call it? PTPT? PP.
Hi everyone, so my name is Zejia and this is my teammate Yichen. We are from the group Pew Pew. And we want to develop a web app called the PTPT, which stands for Peer-to-Peer Tutoring. And it's a searching platform to provide students of NUS to find tutors or become tutors.
Okay, so basically we believe that all of us should have the experience where we cannot contact our tutors. They are either very busy or they cannot respond to our emails on time. So, and at times, especially before exams, we need some immediate tutoring. And sometimes our tutors are just so busy. So basically our platform, our website provides a platform for both for every student to be can be both a tutor or a tutee. So if you feel that you are very strong in certain modules, you can sign up as a tutor. So you can teach your peers and earn some income at the same time. And if you need tutoring, you can sign up as a tutee and find tutoring for certain modules. So basically, that's our platform, PT, peer-to-peer tutoring. Thank you.
Okay, Broco.
Yeah, then it's my turn.
Hi, good evening, everyone. So I'm Faris, and this is my brother Darian. So we call ourselves the Bro Code. So our achievement goal is Gemini. Mentorship-wise, we actually had an amendment. We won't be looking for a mentorship. So let me just share the problem. So have you ever had an experience where you just need an item in particular for a temporary duration? Maybe, for example, you need a drill, drill your house, and maybe you need your GC calculator during a stats module or whatnot, but just for that short while. And you never know, maybe your neighbor, someone nearby might have that particular item. And likewise, if you're the opposite side, you have items at home, just collecting dust, but you value them, you don't want to sell them, So now Darian will be sharing with you what we intend to do with this.
So you can view it as a crowd sharing economy. So something like Carousel, but it's not for selling or buying stuff. You're actually renting out or borrowing stuff. So you have like a listing page where you can post if you have some useful items that you wish to lend out. You can post a rate for it, and if you want to borrow some items, you can also post and suggest a rate, and then you guys can discuss back and forth in the app. And yeah, we're still thinking of whether to limit it to just NUS alone or or location based.
All right.
Okay, next will be my EG. Okay, next.
Yep. Okay.
We'll start with projection. My name is Zachary and his name is Gary. And here I'm talking about projection. Okay, what projection is about is actually based on the word project, which has a double meaning. Firstly, project, which is a plan and undertaking that you take on. And the other meaning is to push forward or to impel the project forward. So I'm here to talk about the purpose and he will talk about what it is. So the purpose of this is that I'm sure that many of you have your own ideas on what you want to do. And for example, you want to write or you want to draw, but it doesn't really translate into reality because you either don't have the resources or you do not know how to do it. So what this does is that it brings people from all around the world and those who have the same interest, and it's something like a crowd sharing and a platform where everyone can contribute to that idea in order to make it to a reality. Yeah, so I'll pass the mic to you.
So actually to further expound upon what Zachary said, right, it is a platform which will best empower such creative thinking. And one idea need not necessarily
sorry, just 1 minute.
So an idea need not necessarily, it may come from one creator, but that one lone creator need not carry it through. And therefore our platform, right, is there to help garner, is specifically oriented to garner support for this through a very rigorous feedback and review system. And what the unique point of our project is, the support is done by earning confidence, not just through the creator's portfolio, but through the idea itself. Yeah, and right at the end, we will eventually link it to crowdfunding. And so from a simple thought in mind to a product, and that is what projection is all about. Thank you.
Okay. If we think we are going too long, what sign will we make? Okay. If we think you are going too long, that means 10 seconds left. Right? 10 seconds left.
Next is, how do you read this? NUS.
Hi guys. So I'm Le Yuan and he's Xiang Xiang. Our name is pronounced as Manis.
and we're targeting Gemini level.
Basically, our idea is that we want to create a timetable planner for NUS students, cause like to show like indicating your preference, and this app will create a most ideal timetable for you. That's all.
Uh-oh. Okay, no. That's for some reason. Oh, maybe it ran out of cash. No,
the projector.
projector. The projector died. Okay. This projector's a bit flaky. Okay, but I think I should plug it back in.
By the way, next is see you next time.
Hold on. I have to bring up my PowerPoint again.
Yeah, to save time. So my name is Stenson and it's Ken. So our problem, right, that we identified is that freshmen don't have a platform to see orientation camps. So camp organizers also have problems finding them and then publicize the camp. So yeah.
So basically see you next time is like a mobile app that is based on that allows the organizers to promote in one consolidated place and also for all the freshmen to go and sign up the camps on one consolidated place. Or then we can we're looking at adding like features like the calendars to map out like which camps they can go and what doesn't collide. And yeah.
Then we're aiming for Gemini, no need mentor. Next is open floor.
Is this right? No. Forward.
Quite far. Quite far forward. Forward. Two more. Do after this. Yes.
Oh. Man.
Okay, yeah, to save time as well. I'm Jasmine and this is Tashun. So have you guys ever wanted to ask a question during lecture but were too shy to do so? Or maybe you just didn't want to disrupt the lecture? So yeah, so we came up with an app to solve the problem.
Okay, so you guys took 2020. It's something like Nota Bene. So basically, you have the slides on the side, right? And you can click on the slides to show which part of the slides you didn't understand. And you can post the questions to link to that part of the slide. And it will be updated real time on the professor's screen so that he will see the top questions that people are asking for. And you'll be able to answer the questions on the spot. So you'll be able to refer to this again when you want to revise for your exams. What questions you posted and what the other top questions were. So that's basically our app. That's all. Yeah.
Next up, 1169.
Hello everyone, my name is Joycelyn and unfortunately my partner is not able to be here today. But for our project idea, we're looking to build a mobile application which will help to track the location and movement of internal shuttle buses in NUS via GPS. So as you can see this, image here for visualization. So let's say the bus is moving, right? So you'll be able to see that this icon is moving as the bus is moving, and then this hopefully we can do it in real-time data. Yeah. So then the markers are actually bus stops, the bus stop and the bus route. Yeah. I think when you hopefully when you click on this, then you can see information. Yeah. As with this one. Yeah. Okay. Then the level of achievement that we're hoping to go for is Gemini without mentorship. Okay. Thank you so much.
Project Synapse. Synapse.
So I believe that many people here actually lives in either hall or RCs. Okay, some people.
It's okay, we are not keeping to you also.
Okay, anyway, we are from Cinnamon College. Then we want to make this Google Android app cater for the college. Also might expand to other colleges or halls. So when you live in like halls or college, you might encounter certain situation that you want to know about the college, but you can't. Like for example, you want to know the today's dining hall food because you're outside school and you're thinking whether you should eat outside or call Yeah, and or you want to study in launch, but you don't know how full the launch is. Yeah, so we want to create this app where you can tell the real time like information about the college, like dining hall information or something, so that you can like have more convenience in your whole life.
Yeah, so the name Synapse is because it sounds like synapse. So you're connecting people. So we're just gonna make our app with the intention of connecting people. The functions can be expanded or it can be removed based on that. But this is our direction lah. And since everyone booed just now, we are also not sure whether we want to continue with this, to be honest. So we might cater to you all since we guilty. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, one Jinx group.
Okay.
Civil War.
All right.
Is it a movie or?
Who's Iron Man?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rika and my partner is David, and we are going to develop web applications for this summer.
Alright, so basically, what we plan to do is that we'll develop an application that can accurately, about 95% confidence, guess what movie you like or don't like. So what we do is we'll ask you about 5 questions, and with these 5 questions you'll predict. And I mean, predicting for you, one person is very boring, right? But what if we could predict 20 people, 100 people? So if you want to watch with 100 different people, and you want to watch the same movie, what movie do you want to watch? And how we'll do it. We are doing Gemini and not looking for mentorship. Thank you.
Next up, HPXY.
Hello, we are from Team HPXY. My name is Hui Ping and this is Gwen. And we aim to achieve Project Gemini. And our target audience most probably will be teens to young adults.
Yeah, okay, so now I explain more about our idea. So have you ever been in a situation whereby you want to buy a birthday gift but don't know where to look for the birthday gift? For example, like in this in the slides we have a we have a flower pot. So our idea is that we'll create a website which allows users to share, review, and also for search for our products. Yeah, so that's it.
Fitness pet simulator.
Got it wrong.
Oh.
That's our title.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Hello everyone, my name is Hugh and this is Desmond. Our team name is called The Game. And for Orbital, we are going to create a fitness pet simulator which includes the fitness and also the raising a virtual pet. So for the game, like we will have like the user can have a different steps count, which will then raise the pet. And now Esma will talk more about the game.
Well, actually, the main point of the game is to promote walking in general, because those people, especially in the office, they usually just sit 90% of their lives, and we want to get them moving. Through this game, we hope to actually promote walking in general and do it in an interactive way. We hope to not only put this in Android, but perhaps have extension to perhaps wearables such as Android Wear. With that, that's all. Thank you very much.
Next, Team WI.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Wijian and Xian. So I believe everyone here procrastinate to a certain extent and it affects your study. So here, right, we are trying to propose a solution that tackle the problem using gamification. Yeah.
So our idea is similar to this morning's presentation about the schedule, but the twist is not that we have a competition to encourage you to study. Instead, it's to motivate you to study using games. So for example, we can have a simple planet. So if you spend more time studying, the planet will flourish, and if you just slack and don't study, then the planet will decay. So it's like it's a very visual thing. You're able to see that the planet decays, you'll feel more motivated to study. Or at least that's our intention. We are aiming for a project Gemini level, but and we are seeking for mentorship. Thank you.
Flying alpaca.
Wow.
So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Xing, and unfortunately, my partner is not here today. So We are planning to create an online platform that for those who like drawing. The problem we identify is that actually most artists procrastinate a lot. And like, for example, a picture like the background will take at least like 15 hours to finish, but along the way the energy level just drops because it turns out it's not as good as expected, or we just get bored while doing the details. So we are using this platform to encourage users to upload their unfinished work for each other to like give feedbacks and encourage each other to finish. And additional feature is that we will allow users to upload their the tutorials that they find is useful or share their Photoshop brushes and so on. That's all we have thought about for now. And we are aiming for Project Gemini and not looking for external mentorship. And that's all. Thank you.
Next is Project Teleport.
Hello, I'm Lee Kai and this is Sendo, and we are from Project Teleport. So have you ever wanted to create a traveling plan? Like let's say you want to go to Tokyo, and so you have to build a travel plan, the tickets, the flights, the hotels, the attractions, where you want to go, and plan all the timings. And it's so troublesome because the information is spread all over the internet, and it's so troublesome. And so we've decided to just create one site where you can browse all the hotels, all the attractions, all the flights, and you plan them on a timetable. And once you're done, you download it, you share it with your friends, and you can go on your merry way. Yeah. So that's the idea. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, next up, Zippen's group with BNXY. Why is there so many XY?
Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, this team BNXY, I'm Brian and she's Singhi. So our project is on home assist, and the idea is really triggered by the increased influx in people using internet, and there are more and more people that they are setting up blog shops online and they are working from home. Yeah, so I will pass on to Singhi to further elaborate on our project.
This is supposed to be a platform where people cause some people need stay at home and they have passion to cook and stuff. Then they can provide these services to other people and as an extra income or whenever they are free. So this platform will allow them to provide details on this kind of thing. So yeah, we hope. Yeah, we are aiming for Gemini, and we are not looking for mentorship. Yeah, thank you.
Do we have a slot time? Just now somebody had to come in at certain time.
I think she went off.
She went off already.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes. Okay.
Oh, okay. Let's continue.
Green tea soda.
Hello, we are Green Tea Soda and I'm Jente.
I'm Kang Fei.
Yeah, we are planning to make an app and not sure if mobile app or web app yet, but it's going to be called Synchro. And the purpose is for students, right, who are in modules that require a project, but then you don't know anyone in the taking the same module as you. So you don't know who to get. Yeah, so our app will help you. Hopefully, can help you find people who are suitable with your personality. Yeah, make a job. And then we are aiming for Apollo 11, and we are looking for mentor.
So further elaborate on that. So the green tea soda is not our app name, by the way, it's our team name. Yeah. So another usage is that we can find the study groups if you want to discuss the tutorial and stuff like that. So we will be based on what common modules have you taken or your characteristic, like you are a team player or a team leader. And hopefully we can integrate with the IBLE or steal some information from the NUS mods. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
JFK.
Yeah, hi. So my name is Junkiet. So the J is June, the K is here. I'll leave the F up for you. So basically, thanks to our friend Gao Fei, we have a startup ready for us. So the startup is mainly focused on online tuition agency website. So the project that we want to do, okay, is to automate the processes within the website itself. Yeah, so that is basically the problem. Okay, so for the solution, we have to automate this whole process. What we're going to do is that from the customer side, what they will have to fill up an online form. This form, after they fill up, you will go straight into a database which you use to search and collect a list of potential tutors. Then all these numbers will then be ported over through the database into a mobile application which you can use to mass spam everyone there and get the notification off so that tutors can reply to it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
M.M.L.
Hi, I'm Kelvin and he's Nathaniel, and our team name FML stands for Food, Music and Laughter. We are hoping to achieve Germany with this project, and we are now looking for mentorship.
Okay, so what we are trying to do is maybe you guys might have like parties and then you don't know how to plan where to get the food, where to get the music, or the cameras, that kind of things. So this is actually to help people who have this type of talents, like say students, like let's say Kelvin, he might bake very good blueberry muffins. So like during summer break, if he wants to earn extra income, he can actually advertise his blueberry muffins through this app, and hopefully someone else who is like planning a birthday party and interested in his product can actually contact him, and yeah, so it's sort of a win-win situation because people can plan better and maybe he gets to earn some extra money. Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Next is Team Tap and Track.
Coming back in a while.
Hi, I'm Lakshmi, she's Tanwei, and we are from Tap and Track. Have you guys used expense managers before? I have used, and it's very annoying. It expects you to input every expense that you make, and then it gives you an analysis of what you have done. But we have an app, and that's a great idea to solve this solution.
Okay, so our idea is to make the whole process automated. And how are we going to do this? We plan to have this app that makes that provides a platform that facilitates the payment process between shopkeepers and consumers. And to put it simple, the payment process will be done through our app, and we plan to implement it using QR codes. And I will not go into detail for this. And then after each transaction, the transaction details, including where and how much was transacted, will be uploaded to the database that will eventually be linked to the app. So the shopkeepers and consumers can check their income and expenditure history through our app. Yeah.
This app will be beneficial to both the shopkeepers as well as the consumers. So that's the highlight of it. It's just not one direction. And we are aiming Gemini, and we seek mentorship. Thank you.
Megamind.
Hi everyone, I'm Junting and this is John Hao. So before exams, we often face a situation where there are no answers to past papers for us to refer to, and it's very hard for us to discuss questions with others. So we are going to make a website to
solve this problem. So our website is called PYP Loyal. So we encourage all the students to use our website to do the past year papers. So when you face some difficulties, you can always discuss the question with others. Also, we believe that the most popular choices you made is the correct answer. So for those past year papers with all the answers, you can always check the answer against the most popular ones. It's based on my past experience. Even for the most hardest question, more than 1/3 of the students got it correct. So I think the most popular one should be correct. But if not, if you are very unlucky, the most popular one is wrong. But it's alright because most of people got it wrong. So welcome. We also encourage students to share the solutions online with each other because if your solution are correct, you can earn extra trophies to help you. Yeah, thank you.
Samuel's group, Timothy, Om Nom Nom device.
Hello, we are outhouse developers, decorators. We are aiming for Project Gemini, and we are not looking for mentorship. Our project is to aim to make a mod for the game called Minecraft, which we all know that the combat system is rather lackluster. So therefore we try to aim to solve that with our mod.
So basically what our mod does is we are actually taking a look at the armor system that is currently implemented in Minecraft, and right now it's basically based on just traditional shape recipes, and there is actually, well, if you don't play the game, you won't really know now. So basically there is very little progression after the basic tier, and we are just trying to implement more depth to this system by using the new systems that Minecraft has created, integrating them with the current armor system they have. Yeah. Thanks.
Testing me.
Okay, hi guys, we are Team Hui Hui. I'm Jia Hui.
Shao Hui. Get it right. Okay, so we are planning to do a web app that can actually take your NUS mod links. So you can put in like 1,000 links and it gives you all your free time slots. So you know when to do your group projects. So yeah, that's all to it. Yeah, that's
Mozzie? Hello everyone. So my teammate is not here today for some reason. So what we plan to do is we plan to build an Android app with which you can report the defects, which are if there's a defect in your room, you can report it, and you'll get a slot from OHS. Or if you see any defects in the lecture theaters or you see any garbage anywhere, you can just report it and it will be taken care of. I mean, in NUS. And we're still thinking whether to do this or not. I mean, if there's time, we'll do it. And I don't exactly know what achievement level this is, but it might be Vostok or Gemini. So let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Okay, next EG group is Ryan's EG. We have Calculator. Team Capture.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jingwen and my partner is Selina. So our team name is Capture. We are thinking to build an Android app called Calculator, which of course like helps you to record your academic record. So we have features such as a scenario-based grades. Like for this semester, let's say you have a worst case scenario and a best case scenario. So it allows you to gauge your standards. Also, we'll have the target setting. So let's say you're aiming for second upper or first class. Then we'll provide customized recommendations. Let's say they feel that you can try for first class, then they'll motivate you and ask you to try for a higher cap this sem.
And adding on, we'll also have some progress charts to let you see how you have progressed over the sems.
And we also provide some customized reminders and exam reminders to remind you that exam is coming up and what you need to do for your exams, like remind you to start revising for your exams. And we also have some SU simulation, so for you to exercise, like for you to see how your grades will be like if you SU that mod. And also allow you to add in the CA components for the percentage. So that's all. Thank you.
Daily press.
Here's a quick question. How many of you, right, when you're studying for exams, you go to yourself, oh my god, this sucks. After exams, I'm totally going to learn how to cook, I'm going to learn how to drive, maybe I'll pick up a new language, code a game, for example. Then after exams, oh my god, I play games, then it's school back, and I never do anything. So basically, we are team Arbitrary Corridor. I'm Shihan, and this is my partner, Pina. And today we are here to share with you our web app, Daily Quest.
So this daily quest, right, basically something that generates from a pool of daily tasks, and then when you complete the task, it will incentivize you to complete the task by using RPG style system. So like gaining experience, gaining levels, since people tend to enjoy watching numbers grow bigger. So yeah, and then we'll probably have a leaderboard so you can compare with others, like see whose number is bigger. Yeah.
All right. Koyo.
Hi guys, we're from Team Koyo. My name is Randy and he's Kritin. So basically, if both of you use WhatsApp to like set up meetings and all, you like sometimes you're frustrated to find a common time, and of course the very common thing is like getting blue ticks from everyone and nobody reply. So what we are trying to do is to create a platform for people to schedule meetings in an easier way. My friend here, Kritin, will explain more.
So your users will just simply input their own schedule, such as your NUS timetable. Then the system will generate a common time slot that people can have a meeting. Then there will be two functions. One is people dependent, where I just select a number of people who will be coming down for the meeting, and we generate the common time slot for that. Then the other one would be time dependent, where I sorry, I think I mixed up. The people dependent is just like a number of people, the people who will be coming down for a meeting, and generate the time slot. Then for time dependent, you just select a time slot. Then you list out people who are free during that time. Yeah, and that's it.
Hard to name? It's also video. So
Video later.
Okay, potato? Yes.
Hello, we are Team Potato. I'm Junju and this is Inaba. We are doing a web app that has plan module for 4 years in the US. So basically, some of the basic features is that they keep track of the module they have taken so far, and so keep track of the module they are planning to take in the next few steps. Some of the important features will be that it will tell you about all the modules you need to take in order to meet the requirement. I mean, it's NUS, it's not just planning to take module, and then at the end of the 4th year, you can graduate happily. Another important feature that we plan to implement is that we would like to do a complete mapping of the degree requirement. So let's say you want to instantly can tell all the this mapping module, then you pick this high level module, you can instantly tell all the module you need to take before you take that particular module. So at the end of this project, we hope to achieve generally, and we're looking for mentorship. Thank you.
Team KKP?
Hello, we are Team KKP. I'm Xiaofu and this is Songkai. So we are trying to build an online Q&A platform for NUS students. As an NUS student, we do a lot of past year paper or question or tutorial question, and we may encounter problem. And I think some of you are too shy to approach to the lecturer or to tutor to get answer. So this platform actually provides user to post answer post question, and you can again contribution point, and you just click and you get the answer.
So unlike IVLE forum, where students can only access forum of their own modules for a limited time span of 1 semester, the product encourages all students, be it current student or maybe alumni, to participate in the discussion, consolidate knowledge, and be inspired to learn along the way, and ultimately provide a more conducive learning environment. And perhaps with the level system based on user contribution, we want to encourage the spirit of give and take. Our aim level of achievement is Apollo 11 without mentorship. Do let us know if you have any interesting ideas pertaining to our project. Thank you.
Team Panetta.
Hi guys, we are Team Panata. As of now, we don't have any particular idea because we are confused between 2 to 3 ideas, but on a more definite basis, we want to build an iOS mobile app. An app which is not only restricted to Orbital, as in we want to build an app which, not for the purpose of Orbital, but for the purpose of launching it in the App Store so that people can actually use our particular app after we've built it.
Nothing to add. I think Shailesh put it down very aptly. In case you guys don't know, this is Shailesh. I'm Advait. My surname is Pal, his surname is Nahata, hence Panata. That's the team name. Obviously, our app won't be called that. We want to build an app which is going to last, which is going to be on the App Store, which is going to improve the lives of people, hopefully in NUS and outside of NUS. As of now, as Shailesh said, we don't really have many ideas which we are too comfortable with. We're debating about particular ideas. But yeah, also our achievement is Apollo 11, but there's an implicit bracket there saying for now. So yeah, thank you very much.
Where are we?
Okay, next one. Help.
Hey, good evening, everyone. I'm Zhen Quan, and this is Ken, and we are Team Help. Yeah. So, have you all ever struggled to complete questions that when you are doing revision? Yeah, we have one there. Yeah. So, many times what I try to do is I try to approach my professors or teaching assistants to clarify my doubts, but they have their own commitments, so most of the time I am stranded without help. Yeah, so I'll pass on the mic to my buddy Ken to explain the solution.
Yeah, so our plan is to build a mobile app that you can easily just take a photo. Because currently we have a lot of platforms like Quora that actually need to type out questions or something. But we find that actually if you type out math, right, it's quite hard. Yeah, you need latex or whatever. So our solution is to just take a photo. You can even take your current working. So while whoever's on the platform can actually look through your working, see where you go wrong, and help you with your problem. Yeah, so that's basically our project. We aiming for Project Gemini and looking for a mentor right now. Thank you.
Musing, is it? Musing, I think it's video, so next one. Okay. Okay, next one, task scheduler. Task scheduler.
Hi all, I'm Hangar. I apologize for the absence of my partner. He's on his way to Egypt. Basically, the app we're doing is also a common time slot locator. The main motivation for me to do this is that Doodle is a pain in the ass to use. And basically, we aim to build a web application which is intuitive and instantaneous. So if a group of people sit down and use this one, they can probably locate a common time slot within 5 minutes. So in terms of intuitivity, we aim to let people just color their available time slots on a common time schedule. And the more people color, the lighter the color becomes. So it's like a thermal map. And well, people can get invited to one project schedule using the code, and they do not need to do any registration using emails. So it will be very fast. And we hope, yeah, basically people will use it. Thank you.
Team dual core.
Evening, everyone. I'm YC. This is Hong Yu. Right. So let me ask you a question. Who here took 1020 semester 2? Who here used the textbook? Who here actually used the textbook? Who here actually bought the textbook and then use it? All right. So that's the thing. Take yourself 3 months back. All right. Imagine you have this information. Would you like to have this information 3 months back before you spend the money? Right? What about 3 months down the road? Right? You're gonna sign up for a new course, and you're asked to buy a textbook. Would you want to know if you actually need the textbook or don't need?
Right, very simple. So this will be a web app that we are planning to do, tell you what mod you are planning to take. For one, we will be doing SOC. So next mod for us will be 2010, and a few days we'll read out pass for our seniors. This mod, should you go for lecture? Should you not? Should you go webcast? No point, right? No point go lecture webcast. Should you do tutorial? Is it useful? Should you have to pass the paper? Not for your score. You see, this place is a very good platform. It's off school. You can even rate the professors from good to godlike. So you won't be bad. You won't show bad to the professor. So they'll be good. Everyone's good. So because they are professors, so I respect them. Okay, that's all about it. Thank you.
Team Pew Pew.
So I'm Wei Han and he's Alex. So we are planning to make an Android game which will help to waste your life away, especially for commuters who have long traveling distance, and he'll explain.
Yeah, so this is the game that we hope you'll be playing when the train breaks down, when you're going to school and stuff like that. This will be a extension to Tetris, so we're gonna add extra features like more levels, bosses, experience points, stuff like that. Yeah, that is what we're gonna do. So the difficulty will be intermediate, and we're not looking for a mentor. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Popings, EG. You may want to speak a bit.
So we'll just skip to the slides directly. Yeah, so I'm Siyong and this is Abel, and we are going to come up with a mobile application for solving the problems that people face when they go to, say, a high-class restaurant or they go to overseas restaurants. They look at the menu and they realize they don't understand a single word on the menu because there's only the word, the menu item, and there's no pictures associated with it. So we are coming up with a solution to solve that, and Abel will explain it to you.
So basically our solution is an Android app. We'll make use of the camera and we'll take a photo of the menu, and using OCR we'll pull out the text, and then without doing any translation we'll do either a Bing or Google search and bring up images that show what is this actual item. Yeah, and in reality we can also explore options like reviews to this thing. Yeah, that's our idea.
Okay, 1146.
Hi, my name is Bosun. My partner isn't here today. So our group's idea is to make an Android app that can share shortcuts between locations in school.
This will help students be able to reach their locations faster and also maybe reduce the reliance on buses. Yeah.
E-coupon.
Hello guys, my name is Tian Yuan and my partner Shane is not here. She's having a good time in China now, and I guess that explains why we still don't have a team name now. Okay, so we recognize that for the goodie bags at the end of the semester, there are a lot of physical coupons which are normally not used. So the solution for this is that we will try to design an app to migrate the whole discounting scheme and sponsorship system onto your mobile phone, so that you can just carry your phone to show to the vendors or the restaurants so that they can give you the discount. I forgot to include in the slide that we are aiming for Apple 11 and for seeking for mentor with Android development experience. This is thanks.
Oh, so is that? Huh? Is that one? I got, yeah, from here.
So just 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay. How do we go one at a time? What? Not too many things are coming up.
Okay, we just have about 4 groups left before.
It's okay, like this is fine. Okay, I will just go ahead.
Okay, 2 directioners. 2 directioners, are you
Not
here?
here.
2 directioners.
Okay.
Okay. Next one.
Probably have.
Oh.
Let's see.
Rampus. Rampus.
Hi guys, I'm Vishnu and this is Manan, and we are called Team V-Man. Yeah, so our idea lies around the problem of restaurant waiting time. So let's say you want to go for lunch or dinner, and you go to restaurants and you actually realize that they're fully booked or fully occupied. So you keep getting rejected from one restaurant, and you go to another one, and you get rejected from there, and you go to another one, and it keeps going on. So it's a lot of waste of time, and it's very inconvenient. So we came up with a solution to this problem, and Manu will explain that.
Okay, so basically this app, through this app, right, it will display real-time information of the seating capacity of restaurants so that you know and know how to anticipate whether you should be dining there based on limited seats. And then through this app, you'll also be able to make reservations. Yeah. So basically, this is our app. Thank you. Okay, what Bojo Bell?
Hi, I'm Joel Distingun, and we are Walo Bojo. Actually, I just found out the name of yeah, we will be doing a project of a level project on Gemini, and we'll come up with a solution to coordinate events which are of ad hoc nature.
Yeah, so like if you want to go for a supper, then you have no friends, you can just like press like Joe your friends, then there'll be instance where your friends will have like a bell sound like, hey, it's a supper Joe. So we have like some fun elements are like, if you want to go, then you say, yeah, Bojo, but if you don't want to go, maybe like the no butter with a banana, nah, Joe, I don't want to, like, you know, Kimcho. So we're going to use like Pass, PhoneGap, and Push APIs and Facebook APIs for your friends' connections. Yeah, that's about all. Thank you.
This one,
1110, team 110.
Oops. Sorry.
Good evening, everyone. This is Pankaj and this is Dheeraj. We are from team 1110. Basically, we'll be working on this project suggested by Professor Zhao Jin. So we'll be working under his mentorship. And our objective is to come up with a membership and event portal for the Computing Alumni Association. So basically, the situation is that there are various kinds of events that the School of Computing organizes throughout the year in order to link the NUS SOC students, the current students, with the former students, the current graduates who are in the professional world. The objective is so that they can come back and share the professional experience with the current students and give them an idea of what's out there. So in order to facilitate the organizing of all such events throughout the year, such as career sharing sessions and various kinds of events, we intend to come up with this system called the NUS Membership and Event Portal, through which the former students of the School of Computing will be able to register as a member of the Computing Alumni Association, and this will help smoothen the organization of such events and make the process a bit more organized. Now, Dheeraj will elaborate more on the different kinds of systems we intend to build.
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I keep this short and sweet. Okay, for this events and membership portal, it'll come with a membership component where the public will be able to sign up as a member and on a separate page, and they can also subscribe to a mailing list. And of course, this is a membership portal, so therefore membership fees is involved, and they can pay fees online through a payment system. So we'll incorporate that as well. And then they can also import their profile from Facebook and other social medias, and they can also update their profile within the portal itself. So I'll be moving on to the events component. So in the events component, the SOC current students and the SOC graduates, they need to keep track of the events that is happening in NUS. So therefore, we will list out the events on the events calendar, and of course they can sign up for the events as well. So this is for the public, the functionalities that the public can access. And of course, we are going to come up with a separate set of functionalities for the administrator, but due to time constraint, I won't be discussing that. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of functionalities involved, and that's why we are trying to complete all of the functionalities, and we are aiming to have an achievement level of Apollo 2. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
This is the rainy thing. Okay.
Almost ending soon. Just bear with us for a while. No, not ended yet. Yeah. Almost. Okay. Rainy thingy.
Hi guys, my partner is not here today, so I'll be presenting. My name is Ting Feng, and our project is called Rainy Thingy. We are making a web app that helps you to predict the weather, but not by using weather forecast data. It uses rain weather radar data from weather.gov.sg. It will scan the weather radar image for any rain cloud activity, and this allows you to know whether it is likely to rain in your area. Let's say, for example, I'm going for a job interview. I need to stay dry so that I won't ruin my interview attire. So I will use this app to notify me if there are any rain clouds forming near my area. Let's say I live in NUS, I will set it to scan NUS and probably the place where I'm going to have my interview, so that when I step out in the open with or without an umbrella, I won't need to be worried about getting caught in the rain. So the main advantage that we have over all the hundreds of weather prediction apps out there is that they use weather forecast data, which is updated not very frequently. Like it will be the best ones you can find in Singapore are updated every hour, whereas ours uses data that's updated every 5 minutes. So it's a lot more accurate and reliable. And another thing is that we plan to use Raspberry Pi to process the data. So in a sense, we can also incorporate Internet of Things into this product and we can make things like, let's say, umbrellas glow blue whenever it's about to rain. So it's kind of like the sword from Lord of the Rings that glows blue when the orcs are coming. So when rain is coming, the umbrella will glow blue. Then you remember to bring it out, or you know whether you need to leave the house early. Yeah, we are aiming for Project Gemini, and we are not looking for mentor at the moment. Thank you.
Almost done, almost done.
Almost done.
Which one was it? We missed this one. Okay, sorry. Oh. Rotate.
Never mind, we can just like talk. I hate the slide already.
No?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm Jing Jing and this is my partner Zi Ying. So yeah, we have realized that many children struggle with multiplication table in the early stages of their learning. So in order to aid them in their learning, so we have decided to inject the element of fun into their learning by introducing our new gaming application called MultiPro.
Okay, it's an app, right? That is similar to 7-Up game. Just that we extend the feature further by allowing them to choose the factor that they want. So in order to create an interactive platform, right, we decided to allow them to play with their friends. Like they create an account so that they can play with their friends. Yeah, I think that that's all.
Two more. 3 more. 2 or 3.
Last 3, sorry.
Not here and finish with this lot, right? I think. Yeah, finish. Yeah, maybe. While we're getting the few more, I guess we're almost done. Okay. So this is the last event of Liftoff. After this, every week on Tuesday, we will have talks, and Google's paying for food, so we'll have food. And then we have another talk, either here, see it's nice, right? So you should come. Either here or in Block 71, I'm sure all of you have heard of Block 71. Okay, so for 5 weeks, we'll do this, right? While you guys are sort of still not, very busy trying to finish off your app. Then the next 5 weeks, 6 weeks, you can finish off your apps, right? Okay, so do come, listen to some talks and do some hacking, and then listen to some more talks on Tuesdays. Okay, I hope we are done. Are we ready to go? Ken, okay, we're ready to go. Yeah. So below, yeah, the tree, this tree, yeah. Oh, they have my hand.
Yeah, team 1209.
Okay, hi, I'm Marianne and my partner is Harvest. We are from our group name is 1209 and we are aiming for Gemini without mentorship.
Have you ever found yourself in a situation whereby, okay, let's say you go and eat, after you eat already, and you and your friends don't know what to do?
Yeah.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So the app we're developing today is gonna help you to find activities near and around you in order to do right after your meal. So for this app, right, we can generate a random location and a random activity. Then from the list, you can filter out whether what's your budget, the number of people who are participating in the activity, and then from there you can select what to do. So that is the basic idea of our project. And for expansions, right, we might add a planner into the project, and we might add a recommendations feed based on what activities you previously did before. So that's all. Thank you.
Let's next one, sorry. Simplicity. Oh yeah.
Hi, I'm Iru and this is Joel. We are Simplicity. We are aiming for Gemini and not looking for mentorship. Nowadays, everyone is more concerned of their diet, so we are going to plan to
make this mobile app of calorie counter to calculate your daily intake of calories.
Okay, so we will be mainly targeting Singapore food because the existing apps out there are now mainly targeting those in USA or anything. So we're trying to make it more localized. And the health promotion board actually do have all this nutrition information on their website, but it's very inconvenient to keep referring to the website. So we decided to make it the app. Okay, thank you.
Next one, home screen. Split. Hi, I'm Jin Jie. So me and my partner have actually came up with an idea to actually split your bills because there are two as in the reason why we include another T is because it makes it sounds cooler. But there are two main reasons, two main problems we are trying to solve here. When actually you go out for dinner with your friends, in a large group of friends, some of our friends don't pay you back. Or when you dividing the sum to like cents, dollar and cents, it just doesn't make sense. And you don't want to ruin. So what you want to do is like everyone pay their own bill fairly and easily through other means like PayPal, so that it's just fairer to you and your friends. So yeah, we intend to make an app that solves this problem. Thank you.
Right. Two more. Sorry.
Last two.
Oops. This one. What's the name?
So what's the
file name?
Second one.
Second one.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Yui. My friend Juanpeng is not here today. Our group name is the Pod Stickers, and we want to create a website called Access Map. So I have a friend in FASS, and she created this initiative because she went to interview different wheelchair users, and she found that a lot of them, they always go to the same places, like for example, the same malls, because they're not sure whether other places are actually accessible for them, like whether they are actually wheelchair friendly. So what we want to do is, for me, I want to help her to develop her website that features wheelchair accessible routes to and within public places in Singapore, using an interactive map. So when they see that there's a route on the map, then they can actually access the place, and it will enable them to actually visit more places instead of the places that they usually go. And we also create this, want to create this feature that enables them to rate general accessibilities of shops, because sometimes shops, the aisles can be very narrow, so it's very hard for the wheelchairs to actually pass through. Or for example, the items can be very hard to reach, like too low or too high for them to reach. So these are things that they can do. And we want to make this a community contributed initiative, so contributors and volunteers can help to come and input the accessible routes for places and update accessibility information if they are changed. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you.
Last group for the day. Thanks for all those that stay back.
What's the name? Ignition?
Hello everybody, last group for the day, sorry about that. Okay, my name is Jingye and this is my friend Xavier. Our group name is, okay, we currently don't have a group name yet. Okay, so okay, for our project, right, I'm sure everybody have some problem booking last minute discussion rooms. You know, it's very ineffective using the NUS library to book. Okay, and most of the time we need to spend a lot of time to find empty tutorial rooms in between our lessons. So our project aims to help you find empty discussion rooms and empty tutorial rooms efficiently and help you save time.
What Jingyan has just said, all we are doing is we're going to do a web app that will actually update the status, whether it's being booked, whether it's being occupied or it's empty. Then at real time, you are able to actually change the status to occupied so that you know that you'll be able to go to that room without anyone else occupying. Yep, that's all.
Right. hold on for me. Yeah, not much to. I already said, but anyway, say something. All right. Thanks for staying till the end. Right, you're all champions. Okay, give yourself a big hand. Okay, we are done for lift off. I hope to see you over the next 5 weeks, right? And then you double down and finish your app, and then at the start of next semester. Okay, thanks. All right, thanks. Okay. Yeah, let me.